dive into phrases. Understanding, duck into the room. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, duck into the room. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what it exactly means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Duck into the room is a phrase that paints quite a vivid picture if you think about it. But it's not about ducks or any birds for that matter. In English, to duck means to lower the head or the body quickly, usually to avoid something. However, when we say someone ducked into the room, we're using the verb metaphorically. It means to enter a room quickly and often quietly, as if trying to go unnoticed or simply to avoid spending a lot of time in the process. It's a handy phrase to describe a swift, smooth action of coming into a room. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use duck into the room in sentences. This will help you get a feel for the phrase and how it fits into everyday English conversation. I was so late for the meeting. I just ducked into the room and hoped nobody noticed. During the party, she ducked into the room to grab her phone charger. He ducked into the room as soon as he heard his favorite song starting. As you can see, the phrase can be used in various situations where someone enters a room quickly, whether to avoid detection, save time, or for any other urgent reason. Understanding the context is crucial when using or interpreting the phrase, duck into the room. The reason behind the action can vary greatly, from sneaking into a surprise party to quickly grabbing something forgotten. Context helps determine the exact meaning and tone of the phrase in conversation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, duck into the room. Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, you can add it to your English vocabulary toolbox. We hope this video has been informative and fun for you. Don't forget to practice using new phrases in sentences to really make them stick. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!